Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information box ticket lifestyle. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned. Our topic is on tigers. The predicament of tigers have been heard across the world for many years, but we have only just become aware of it. Tigers are predatory creatures that prey on lower level organisms in the wild. They were considered to be indestructible since they were at the top of the food chain. But something happened. Something as basic as people but so complicated. The tiger is a forest dwelling wild mammal. It's a carnivorous mammal that eats deer and other animals. They work quickly and efficiently. Tigers' bodies are red or orange in hue with heavy black stripes on the surface. When fully grown, they reach a length of 6 to 10 feet and a weight of approximately 660 pounds. Tigers are a type of wild animal that lives in the wild. They are voracious predators who feed on smaller creatures. Their main sources of food are deer and wild boars. These animals mature quickly, reaching maturity at about 3 or 4 years of age. In the wild, they can survive for up to 20 years. Because males and females have different bodily functions, males of the species are heavier than females. Tiger cubs are the young of the species and require special attention when they are born. This is why a majority of the cubs do not survive in the wild. They are an endangered species with a population decline over the last decade. Conservation efforts are underway and progress have been made in nations such as Nepal, India, Russia and China. Because these creatures are both furious and sensitive, they must be left alone in the wild. Tigers live at the top of the ecological pyramid and eat lower level creatures. They eat in a hunt and eat routine and have exceptional hunting abilities. Their hind legs have been modified to allow them to travel at breakneck speed in the blink of an eye. They can run and seek for food in the wild with ease. Because of men's unlawful actions, the tiger population have been declining recently. Tigers are caught in traps and killed for the skin, fangs, and hair by certain poachers. These unlawful actions have resulted in a reduction in the world's tiger population. It is past time for us to make changes in our behavior. We must all work together to save this critically threatened service, as it will take a long time to recover. We have lost a lot of tigers in our environment and there are only 3,900 species of tiger left in the wild currently. That is cause for concern because if current trends continue, we may lose all tigers from the face of the planet. We must act properly in order to rescue tigers from extinction. Extinction will destabilize the global economy and have devastating consequences for the animal. Humans are exclusively responsible for the near extinction of the tigers on the planet. Panthera tigris. Tigris is their scientific name. It also has numerous subspecies, each with its own set of characteristics. The most prevalent personality trait is to move at a breakneck pace. The population of wild tigers have been declining for a long time. Tigers are hunters and a shortage of suitable trees in the forest has pushed deers and other forest creatures out. The tigers have lost food as a result of this and have died as a result. When they have gone nearly a week without food, the majority of the tigers dies as a consequence of acute hunger. The situation is critical and most environmental groups have designated them as endangered species. Tigers have been bred off-site and cared for in specialist buildings in an attempt to conserve the population. These tigers are susceptible to illnesses, yet this is a very beneficial process that has resulted in certain nations' tiger population improving. We must take care of this earth as it is our only place to live. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more topics to talk on and don't forget to press the bell icon button and leave a comment and a like. Thank you.